Attorney General Josh Kaul says there have been too many school lockdowns and school shootings. That's one reason why he's pushing for a new law here. A dozen states have passed red flag laws to remove firearms from a person considered to be a threat to others or themselves. It's a question that comes up a lot after school shootings or mass shootings. Could anything have been done to prevent the shooter from having a gun?
I think that having a red flag law will improve public safety.
Attorney General Josh Kaul says the law could address online threats or someone who may be suicidal and has access to guns.
And we can make the situation safer by temporarily disarming that person through a formal process, going to a judge, making sure that the process is temporary and that Second Amendment rights, generally speaking, are protected.
So what would happen if a judge decided a firearm should be removed? Who would shoulder that responsibility? It would likely fall on local law enforcement.
A red flag law ought to be a temporary disarming of that person until the danger has been addressed, until a court can weigh in and say that this person is now safe.
Getting a red flag law through the legislature could be a heavy lift. Republican State Senator Van Wanggaard spent nearly 30 years in law enforcement before becoming a lawmaker. Is a red flag law needed?
I do not believe it is.
Wanggaard sees red flags in the law. He worries about due process and Second Amendment rights.
I believe that anybody can lawfully possess a firearm should be able to carry it and keep it. That being said, we have so many things in place that could be put into play to protect the community from somebody that shouldn't have it.
Neighboring states like Illinois and Indiana have red flag laws. In Maryland, a report in the Washington Post says the law has resulted in gun seizures from 148 people in the first 3 months.